Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different online business ideas that you can get started with in 2019. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and as I just mentioned, I'm going to be sharing with you a few different online business ideas that you can get started with in 2019. But before I get into that video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're new here, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Now, I'm going to be talking about a few different methods that you can get started with when it comes to creating an online business. And if you're interested in my personal favorite, then just stick around until the end of the video. So the first method that I want to talk about is called Amazon FBA, or also known as Fulfilled by Amazon. Now this is also referred to as private label. So what private label is where you take your brand or your logo and you slap it on a product and you call it your own. So the way that you would get started with Amazon FBA is first you need to find a product that's in demand that's also profitable on Amazon. Then once you find a product that's profitable, you need to find an online wholesaler that can supply you with that product. Most people who are using Amazon FBA, they usually find suppliers from Chinese wholesale websites like Alibaba, AliExpress, or DHgate. So what you're going to want to do is contact one of these sellers and just have them wholesale you a product that you're going to make money off of. But when you order your product from one of these online wholesalers, you're not going to have it shipped to your house, but you're going to have it shipped to the Amazon warehouse. So when you do this, Amazon is going to store your product, and whenever somebody purchases your product off of Amazon, they're going to pack, ship, and fulfill your order to your customer. So the benefit about using this method is that you don't have to worry about having a bunch of inventory sitting in your garage or having to ship out anything yourself. Amazon takes care of this for you, but now everything comes with the cost. If you're using this method, Amazon does charge you a fee for storage and also for fulfillment. So the main thing you would have to focus on if you're using this method is to get your product to rank on Amazon. So let's say, for example, you're selling a flashlight. You would have to figure out how to get your product to rank on Amazon whenever somebody types in the word flashlight. So that's something that I would recommend for you guys to do if you're interested in getting started with this method, is first do your research. So that's the first online business idea that you can get started with. The second one is going to be dropshipping. So what dropshipping is where you post an item for sale online, knowing that you can buy that same product from a different website at a cheaper price. So let's say, for example, you post a barbecue grill on eBay for $80, and you know you can get that same grill from Walmart for $60. So when you post that barbecue grill on eBay, whenever somebody purchases that product from you, you just simply go to Walmart, you order that barbecue grill, but instead of having it shipped to you, you have it shipped directly to the customer. So just by posting an ad or a listing, you make an extra $20. See, the benefit about using this method is that you don't have to invest any money at all. All you have to do is just post items that you know people would be willing to pay a little bit more for, because most people don't know the true value of most items. So the next business idea that you can get started with is by selling courses. So if you have a certain skill or particular knowledge in an area that you know people would be willing to pay money to learn, then you can definitely make a good amount of money with this method. So the way that you would do this is first start off by creating your course. So since this is going to be an online course, it is going to be video based. So most people who sell online courses have a series of videos where they're showing somebody how to do something step by step. Now, if you don't feel comfortable being on camera, there's other alternatives that you can do. You can record your screen and just also record your voice when you're speaking over the microphone and you're explaining somebody how to do something step by step. But I would recommend just being on screen yourself, because people feel more of a connection that way. So once you record your online course, what you're going to do is go to a website called teachable.com and you're going to sign up to become a teacher. Now once you do this, you're going to upload your course onto Teachable. And then you set the price that you want to charge people to enroll into your course. Now, after you do this, you have to find a way to market your course in order to get people to enroll into your course. Now, obviously, the more people that enroll into your course, the more money that you make. But I just want you to think about this. If you're selling a course for $500 and you get 10 people to enroll into your course in a month, that's enough to earn a full-time income. And you can make a passive income by selling the same course over and over again. Now, the last method that I want to talk about is my favorite method when it comes to making money online. And this is through affiliate marketing. The reason why I like this method the best is because you don't have to have your own products to sell in order to start making money online. And if you're unfamiliar with what affiliate marketing is, it's just simply where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded to you. And whenever somebody clicks on that link and purchases that product that you're promoting, then you make a commission. Now, there's a lot of factors when it comes to creating a business and becoming successful with affiliate marketing. And I'm not going to go into detail in this video on how to do that because I did that in past videos. And I'm going to link a video where I explained further in detail on how to become successful with affiliate marketing. I'm going to link that in the description below. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download in the description below called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. Now, what this book does is it helps you decide what niche to pick and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. I would recommend clicking the link to learn more about that. It's completely free. And if you want my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these ideas. So that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.